Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Battery, solid-state drive, wireless module, left fan, right fan, and system board. Removal. Remove the 2 foam pads from the wireless antenna assembly. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna assembly to the top cover. Release the wireless antenna assembly from the retention clips on the top cover and remove. Important: there are UMA and discrete versions of the wireless antenna assembly. Ensure the correct component has been ordered for the specific notebook being serviced. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless antenna assembly.